ahead and bend the head into my hand. Just relax this shoulder, okay? Just gonna get you in a position. Just let the head fall. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
How did that feel?
Wonderful, Dr.
That was
Maxey.
so loud. And just let it relax.
Oh, that was the one.
How'd that feel?
Wonderful.
Good. Awesome.